What's up, YouTube? Man, we back with another video, man. We dropping bangers after bangers after bangers. It's currently 6 in the morning right now. Today I got a lot planned. Today we finna go pick up these Chrysler 300 rims and spray paint them black. Well, my plan is to spray paint them black. I never did it before, but I'm gonna try it today. We gonna try to change the steering wheel, the cluster, and the spoiler. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get to the rims. What's up, YouTube, man? So we got the rims. We got some I was about to say Corvette. Oh my god, what is that? That been popping. But now we got some Chrysler rims. We finna clean these off. We finna paint them black. You know, we improvising. You feel me? We trying to make it work. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we painting the rims or whatever we doing. And we finna try to change the steering wheel today to the Durango steering wheel. So I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when we done with that.
Paid in the ground just for a rainy day. $1 million in all jewelry, nigga. I don't want chain away. Think you slick, but you ain't slick. Can't finesse it, real finesse it. Bitch, my pockets bustin', they like the nutty professor.
Alright, YouTube. We was back at the crib. Back with the RT, man. Let me show y'all. These are the stock rims. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Yeah, them stock things. I just like messing around. These them stock things. Time to go, time to go.
What's the first one you did right here, right?
Yeah. These are the Chrysler 300 rims I just brought. I got them for still like 150. They come off for like 2011. We finna try to spray paint them ourselves. We is not professionals, so don't get in the comments telling us whoop the whoop, whoop, whoop. We know we need sandpaper and all that, but we doing it the hood way, you feel me? So we finna get this spray paint them. We just finished washing them, so they look a little bit shiny. So this stuff can come off. I don't know what that is, but we finna try to spray paint them. And I'll catch back up with y'all when I'm done spray painting. Alright, chat, so we currently spray painting it. Hey, it ain't the best, but they look raw on camera though. I know y'all see they still follow me. I ain't tripping. I already told y'all last video, I ain't the type of person to trip over little stuff. All this stuff materialistic. You can rebuy all this. This ain't nothing. We trying to spray it. I got the primer, sandable primer, whatever this is. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when we done with putting it on the car. Alright, YouTube, so we currently finna try to install this Durango airbag steering wheel. We was gonna try to install a Hellcat spoiler, but I ain't got no tool to get this out, and it's too hard. So we gonna do that later. We trying to get the airbag out.
This shit break?
That's what we trying to get out right now. We got the left side out.
Did this shit break?
Nah. What happened?
This shit break?
Alright, YouTube, so we got the old steering wheel off. Shit. That bit was hard. When I say that bit hard, that bit hard. It's hard to take off. So we finna install this this one. We learning as we go, so you feel me? That's my dog. You feel me? Got me right. We finna put that Durango shit in there. We're gonna change this. We're gonna put carbon fiber all around this, you feel me? Put the Scat Pack over that. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we can get this steering wheel on and show y'all how it look.
The next morning.
Alright, YouTube, it's like 8 in the morning, 8, 9 in the morning. Y'all seen what we did last night. It's just a little bit dirty, but the paint holding up for now. Through the sun. I know it's hot in Miami, so the paint holding up. Nah, I just spray paint over it again. We took it for a drive. I couldn't record, my phone died, so y'all know that sucks. So let's see. My key dead. I gotta get that changed. I'm probably finna go get an oil change today. But that's exactly what I need. But as I can tell, we swapping the steering wheel out right now. I heard none of the buttons work, so that's what I'm finna focus on right now and see why the buttons don't work. I've seen some people say it won't work, some say it will. But if it don't, I'm still keeping it on there till I feel like taking it off, because that bolt in the middle, that's nothing to play with. But it goes the old airbag. The new one is in my house because they like to break in cars where I stay, so I keep all my valuable stuff inside the house. They can come take these tools if they want me. Please don't come to my car. I'm not telling you come get in my car and take my tools, but God forbid, if they was to, all they can take is some tools. Please don't. This is my Hellcat. I gotta clean this up. We got a whole lot going on in this car. These my old tires. They bald. They bald. Yeah. I gotta find somewhere to put all these parts, man. I gotta find somewhere to put these parts. I can't put these parts in the house. My mama don't want all these parts in the house. Oh, this is the old steering wheel right here. It's the old steering wheel. It's the old one. But yeah, chat, I need somewhere to put this stuff in the house. I'm like, if y'all want an old Charger bumper, let me know. That's inside my room. The box for my new bumper is in my room. I got these 4 rims in this car. I just gotta find somewhere to put all this stuff, cause but the bumper sit on decent. I won't say it sit on the best, but it sit on decent. It sit on decent. The screw just fell. I gotta find a screw that fit this. I don't know where that's at. I'll look for it later. I don't feel like doing all that. Like I said, it's 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Gotta get rid of these rims. I'm probably gonna post them on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace for free. I don't know. I don't even know. I gotta get some more of these door panels, these window things. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up and we can figure this steering wheel stuff out. I do need to take my taser in the house to update it. Where's my taser? Okay, my taser down there, but yeah, I might be getting an oil change today. I don't know. It depends if I want to go to that man or not, but we're going to do that. I got to get some more coolant, so after this, my pocket's on E, you hear me? So, I'm going to get back to y'all when we working on that steering wheel. Alright, too, we back outside. I came to check the rims again. They good, but so this is 2015 Dodge Durango steering wheel, if I'm not mistaken. So we're finna try to connect the airbag. Make sure all the cords pushed all the way in. Make sure all this stuff pushed in. But yeah, the steering wheel buttons are not, they do not operate. They do not work. But me, honestly, I don't care. I'll figure something out. I seen somebody say you have to pay $500 to get these reprogrammed, so eventually I'll get them reprogrammed. I can't take the steering wheel off right now because this boat, you need 2 people, and there's only one of me right now. So I might as well just put the airbag on, right? I usually don't check my tire pressure or none of that anyways. So I might as well just put it on, right? So all you have to do is clip it yellow to yellow, blue to blue, black to black. Simple. This is the hardest part. This bolt is the hardest part. When you turn your steering wheel, it's the hardest part. Because it have to be tight enough so your steering wheel won't fall off. You feel me? So that bolt is tight. You gotta have somebody holding the steering wheel and somebody twisting it. And make sure you don't strip the bolt, because if you strip the bolt, you're gonna be out of gas. You ain't gonna be able to take the steering wheel out. So make sure. I thought I heard something. But make sure I don't strip that bolt. And I'm gonna get back to y'all when I connect these. I can't do it with one hand because I need my other hand to connect it. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I connect the steering wheel. All right, chat. So I got it in. It's not all the way on there. It just clipped in. You feel me? Good. Black to black, yellow to yellow, blue to blue. And you just put it on there like that, and all you gotta do is push it in. Just push it in, and there you go. But I got an 11 through 14 charger. I got a 2011 charger, so it's not all the way in. If y'all can see, it's a little gap, but it's all right. If y'all like me, y'all don't care too much about switching the buttons right now, I would say swap it. I mean, it ain't that big of a deal. But or you can always pay $400 to swap them. I seen somebody on Instagram, he charged $400 to swap them. $400, $500, one of those to swap them. So y'all can do that. But I'm finna try to push this airbag in. Let's see. All right, chat. So I got it on. But as I got it on, another thing I realized is the horn does not work. Probably a cord that needs to be connected, but the horn does not work. You know, all you gotta do it. Get out my way. Get out my way. You feel me? But you know, they see that motherfucker coming through. They gonna automatically get out the way. They gonna hear it before they see it. But that's how that bit look. I gotta get all this carbon fiber though. This carbon fiber. I'm gonna put Scat Pack emblem over that. Yeah. That's how it is. The old airbag down there. Got these tires in here. And all that. So it's a work in progress, man. We getting see, none of the buttons work. Even if I started, the buttons ain't gonna work. I honestly don't want to start it because I ain't got no oil or no coolant. So, but this is it, man. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I swap this out. The black runs make it look so harder. Oh my god. I gotta get some red calipers ASAP. So, right now, y'all know what we about to do. We about to change the speedometer, you feel me? We about to change the speedometer or cluster, whatever y'all call it. You know what to call it? We got the, oh, it broke. The glass cracked somewhere, I seen it. But we got the, what this is, RT. No RT, dash, cluster, whatever y'all want to call it. So we got this. So what y'all want to do is pop this out. It's easy to come out. I already got mine off. You just pull it out. Ooh, that bit hot though. It's hot out here. See, you just pull it off. Pull that off, put that to the side. And then you should see a screw there. There should be a screw there, and a screw down there. Not this one, that one right there. It's in the inside, not this one. I unplugged out by accident. But and then all you wanna do is just, hold on, and put my steering wheel down a little bit. You don't have to move the steering wheel, but I do, so I can. And then you just gotta pull it out. Like, you gotta put some force to it and pull it out. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I can get this out, because I can't do it with one hand. Alright, chat, boy, it's so hot. My phone is overheating. So all y'all wanna do is pull that out. And y'all should see it's plugged in the back, and just yank that out. You gotta yank it out. See it come out. Just pull that out like that. Toss your old one to the side. Put that new one in there, you feel me? You wanna put that new one in there. It's the same cord, same wire. Just clip this brown thing in there. So yeah, my fault, my phone overheating. So y'all just wanna clip that brown thing in there. Put the speedometer back in place. It's hard to do with one hand while this phone is hot. But y'all see it work. It's hot out here. Alright, chat. My phone keep overheating, so. But this how it look. Steering wheel. Got a little paddle shifters. The steering wheel buttons don't work, but I'm pretty sure you can enable the paddle shifters with the Taser. You'll just have to put your old steering wheel and cluster back on. I mean, you don't even gotta put the old cluster back on. You just have to put your old steering wheel back on to enable it. That's it. But it's how it look. That's it. You feel me? Going next. I don't know what we finna do next, but it look raw. You feel me? This would be good for some good old POVs. You feel me? Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it up.
Where shopping is a pleasure.
So I gotta do my Taser all over too. But it's how it look. YouTube, this is the end of the video. We painted the rims, we put them on there. It took us a little minute to put them on there. We did that. Now we changed the steering wheel. And I changed the cluster. I put the airbag on. We're just gonna keep going up from here, man. We're gonna keep going up from here. We're gonna keep trying to do some upgrades. I got some more stuff on the way, so we're gonna keep trying to do, man. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if y'all new. SRT Vari on the way. I mean, I'm tired of being 5.7 Vari. Why not be SRT Vari? You feel me? But I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in the next video.